Let's see if my baby hair is baby hair. Okay. Let's see. Whoop, whoop, whoop. You know, normally she don't be wanting to light for a sister. Push through. Edges push through. Come on now. Now let me tell you something. With edges that work this smooth, it make 2020 look like a good year. Okay. Hello everyone. So, as you can tell from the title of this video, we are going to be touching up on my color. Before I jump into all of that, you already know, if you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Hurry up, okay? Hurry up. So, the reason why I'm looking a little wonky is because I just got done working out. So, I wanted to show you guys how these crochet braids held up. My hair is pretty old, and you know, it stinks and all of that nasty stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my hair down. As you can see, it's really tangled. Y'all, I'm still sweating. I'm about to hop in the shower. So it's still tangled and all of that. So I love switching my hair up, trying new styles, doing different things. And by now I'm over it. I'm over this. But here is how it looks from the front to the side. And here is the back. I wanted to show you guys my hair so you can see how the color pays off. As you can see, my ends are still, the shaft and the ends are still pretty burgundy. However, it is a little faded at this point. Okay, you guys, so I don't know if the lighting looks different in here, but it is nighttime now. So I shampooed, conditioned, and deconditioned. I used the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey line, and now I am getting ready to apply the rinse. So the colors I am using is T550 and T552. It's by Kiss. It's their semi-permanent red. So this one, the T552, is Red Velvet, which is basically a red burgundy. And this is semi-permanent intense red. So I'm going to mix these two up. It says under the instructions, apply Kiss color semi-permanent onto shampoo, towel dry hair, 1/8 inch away from the scalp, and process for 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna mix both of these colors up in this bowl. Go ahead and apply it to my scalp, to my hair shaft. So I'm just going to finish working this rinse throughout my hair. making sure all of it is saturated. But I'm just gonna finish working this in, cover my hair with a plastic cap. The bottle says 15 minutes, let it sit. I'm gonna do 20. You know, we don't listen to instructions. No, why would we do that? Okay, so let this process for 20 and I'll be back, you guys. You already know how we do. Got a lot of color on the towel. It does look more vibrant, but it did take on the ends of my hair, and y'all see that? It's already bleeding. I can tell I'm not gonna like this. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Okay, you guys, so I ended up hating the way the hair, the Kiss rinse turned out. As you can see, my hands were extremely red because the color bled a lot, and then on top of that, it made my hair extremely dry. So I don't know if it's because I went over the 5 minutes. So y'all don't listen to me, follow the instructions. They're there for a reason. But what I'm going to be doing is a center part, and we're going to just do the braided pony. So to I guess you would say to mold my hair, I'm using beeswax, and then I'm also using the Sebastian hairspray. So I take the beeswax on my hand, rub it through, then apply the Sebastian, brush that through, then I do another section like so, comb it through, apply the beeswax, add the Sebastian, brush it through. I didn't really care about using a blow dryer because my hair is in a natural state. I just wanted to get it as smooth as possible while in this natural state. I didn't want to apply any more heat to my hair. So I'll just keep doing this throughout until I'm done and I have it all within a ponytail. What I'm going to use is this jumbo braid that I got from my local beauty supply store. I got one in M1B burgundy and 2 packs in burgundy. So here is the burgundy and here is the M1B. So you guys, as you can see, this color matches closer to my hair. So I'm actually going to feed my braids in. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the rubber band, and I'm going to set a tiny piece to the side. I'm going to use that later to cover up the base. And then you just want to basically pull on the ends to make it tapered. So it'll look something like that. And I'm going to break this up into 2 pieces. And then I'm also going to take the burgundy pack, cut that in half, set some aside. I'm going to use that for the base braid. And then I'm just going to do the same thing. Some jam on my hands. Now I'm going to take this section and weave it in somehow. I got to figure out how I'm going to hold my hands. There we go. So I got to pull it around. I'm going to add some more jam. Smooth it out. Now I'm adding this red piece. Smooth that out. Some more. I'm gonna add the burgundy piece. This can be a little bit neater, so give me 1 second. Okay, so I took it down and I just combed through my ponytail to make it less thick, like that. Luckily, I heard my camera. I literally just ran out of footage. Okay, so I'm back. So I'm gonna add this last piece of burgundy. And I want my braid to be tight. So I'm braiding it tight as my hands will allow me to. Okay, so now that I'm at the end, I am gonna stop right there. Actually, I'm gonna come down just a little more. So, I'm gonna tie a knot. What you're gonna do is take your finger, wrap it around. Okay, so I tied a knot. And now I'm going to clean up this braid. Cut off the flyaways. Make sure and smooth out up here. Just go ahead, trim off. I'm gonna add some mousse. This is Tropical Roots foaming mousse. I'm gonna add that to the braid to just smooth it out and smooth out any flyaways. I am always dropping something. Smooth everything out. And then I'm gonna spray some Sebastian in my hand. Add that to the braid too. Because we want it all to be smooth. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and add the perm rod. And I'm not gonna dip the whole braid because I don't want it the braid to thin out, because normally that's what Kinkin Line hair does. Once it hits hot water, it'll thin out. Let's see if my baby hair is baby hair. Okay, let's see. Whoop. Whoop, whoop. You know, normally she don't be wanting to lay for a sister. I'm gonna add some beeswax too. Now let me tell you something. With edges that work this smooth, it make 2020 look like a good year, okay? It make 2020 look like a good year. Do you? She gonna check who? She gonna check who? Who, what, when, where, how, and why, ma'am? Come on now. Come on. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and do this side, and I'll be back to show y'all the finished product, okay?